Hello, this is David Lundgren, Stage Global Trainer, and today we're going to give you an insight of what's about to be released sometime in the very near future. It is not released into your Stage account yet, but I'm going to give you a little preview that when I saw it, it made me go, wow. And you remember my common thing that I tell everybody, if you're not building a list, you're talking to yourself. So let me give you a preview right here. This is our Stage platform, and I've been using this for now 4 years. And you can see right here, 854,000 people have gone to my Stage just this year. So you can see all that's working real good. 115,000 Twitter followers, and that's through the managed Twitter system. So number one question you should ask people is, do you have a Twitter account? And then my second question is, would you like me to help you build that account? Because we have, under the Grow Audience, the Twitter Builder, we have the different systems here. It's called Managed Twitter. And for a 14-day free trial, you can see, the company will actually activate and build that customer's Twitter account. And even after that, it's only $7 a month. So once they see the results and everything, they're going to be pretty impressed. So what I want to do is get to the good stuff here. We're going to go over the new system that's coming out. It's called Smart Post. So let me introduce you for the very first time, Smart Post. We're going to switch over here, and you can see right here we have it on. We have an on-off button. We have it all set up there with our different accounts. There's my 10 accounts. And we have different one-liners, and you can see those are all right there. We have the quotes, and you can see there's quite a few loaded in. We have questions. You can import your tweets, so if you have them in an editor, you can quickly just copy the file and pop it right in there, or you can do a custom tweet. That means copy or type. The reason I like using this box is because it tells me the little counter. Because if you're at 141 characters, it won't take it. So it's always nice to know where you're at. Now, in a brand new account, when you get this set up with your Stage account, so we're pretending that you have this area will be blank. So let me show you how simple it is. By clicking over here, you just simply click the arrow, and it pops it right in here. Now, what you can do is you can edit it, go put your link, so people can come back to your link, and you can see how I've done that right down here. And you can also delete it, and you can also move it by just going here and just doing this. Very simple to do. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one, and I'm going to delete this one because I've got custom Jim Rohn quotes in here that do very well. And so the you can see the quote. Let me just edit it so you can see it better. We have the quote, who it's by, and then my link. So the customers can go right to the link there. And so I'm going to close that there. And you can also set up the number of tweets per day to go automatic. And you can set up the timer. So you can, I like setting it about 9 o'clock to 1900. And you'll notice it automatically saves it. So if you want to change the date delivery, you can do that, and you can see it's automatically saving your work right there. Now the cool part about it is you can go in here and randomize your tweets. One button will mix it all up. Now I'll show you why that's very valuable. You can go in here, and once you have this in, now I could put in a bunch here, I could import some, but this is your working area. And what you want to do is you just click on save, put in a title of your file. Do you want to overwrite the existing file? Like if you're adding more and more quotes, you'd want to do that. And then hit save. So simple to do. But watch this. We can now go in here, now that we've saved that file, you can click on, like I'm going to click on 805 Social. It'll load up a different file. And all I would have to do is just click on here, hit load, and it would automatically pull that same list right in there. Now, the reason why the randomize is so valuable is because you just did put a duplicate copy in the same order with the other channel. And Twitter may not like that. because you're looking like you're a robot. It's the same messages going out with the same channels. So when you import it or load a file in here into a second channel, you simply come over here and hit Randomize Tweets. And that's going to mix it up. So with the course of the scheduling of the days and the randomizing of your tweets, it's not the same ones going out every day. So that's pretty simple to do. We can go in here, we can shut it off at any time. Like if you're working on it type of deal, just go in here and turn it off. And that way you kind of put a pause on the system. Go ahead and do some work in here. And when you're done, just turn it on. So let me show you the results. Well, let me show you on Twitter what's actually happening right here. This is my HBN David account, so that's where it's all going to, one of the 10 channels. And you can see right here, here's the Jim Rohn quotes going out. I'll read one of them. We don't teach people to be nice, we hire nice people. Wow, what a clever shortcut, Jim Rohn. And you can see right there, learn more, Digital Design Center. Now that's just what I do, because when they click on it, it actually goes right into my account, my stage account, where they can learn more about the Smart Post system. And they can actually go in here, click on Twitter, set up their account, and go in here and set up a free account, an intro, a basic, or a premium. I encourage everybody just to start for free, because once the Smart Post system is going to be launched, then we're going to have right here the 1,000 scheduled tweets. That's going to be for a premium account, but we also have a lesser amount for the basic, intro, and free, and that'll be put online in our accounts here, like I said, coming soon, possibly December, January, somewhere in that time frame, once they get all the system out of beta. So I wanted to show you that, and then let's go back here to the results. We can go back to my dashboard, and you can see what's happening right here. It's going to load all the views. So let me switch this one over to 30 days. And you can see the Twitter followers, 115,758. But see the baseline right here. Now I started using the Smart Post system yesterday. So you can see just within 48 hours. So I set it up, and it takes a little bit to get going. And so the results are right there. You can see a dramatic increase or a jump on my Twitter account from what we're doing. So going back here, I think we covered everything. There's what you should do right now while you're waiting for this to be loaded into your stage is go find quotes on the internet and put them in a file. Start building that file like I've done right here. And then you can click on Import Tweets when it's live in your account and just drag that file right in, and all your quotes will be loaded right here. Now, what I highly suggest you do is put a quote, whoever's saying it, and then put a link to your website. Copy and paste that so you don't have to do it over and over again because you can always edit it and you can always delete it if you want to, and you can always move it. So you just drag and drop right there. So you can see, notice right here I have Saturday and Sunday not checked. So you'll notice what's happening here. We have Friday today, and then it's skipping Saturday and Sunday. It's smart enough to know that it's not going to be delivered. So you can preset this up. And if you did this, 1,000 scheduled tweets, depending on how many you're delivering per day, but you could set this up for the whole year and have a complete system going in there, and then saving it, loading up a different channel, go over here, load that saved file, hit load, randomize it, mix it up real good, and that way you're just going to get more exposure, more branding, and as I said, you're the number one worst thing that people do is keep their business a secret. But you want to write this down. If you're not building a list and you're not building your Twitter account, you're just talking to yourself. People wonder why they're not getting results if nobody knows they're actually in business. So I wanted to leave you here with the dashboard and show you right here, like we said, the Twitter followers. We're going to give you another update as time goes by. But I was amazed to see, within 24, 48 hours, this type of a jump, and having it automatically, being done for me. So anyway, this is David Lundgren, live at the Digital Design Center. Hopefully you know enough to be a little bit more dangerous of what's coming up with the new Smart Post system. Have a great day.